This Filipino language lesson is about the phrase na naman. Na naman, which means again or yet again in English. There are three other Tagalog words that also mean again. They are uli, ulit, and muli, which we already studied in the past. I placed the link in the comment section in case you missed it. So, what's the difference between na naman and uli? Well, na naman expresses a feeling of irritation or displeasure about something that already happened many times before and happens yet again. It is usually associated with negative words or unpleasant events. Uli and ulit, on the other hand, express either a neutral or a positive attitude about recurring things or events. So bear in mind that na naman is used for negative situations that are happening again. Let's now look at the example sentences. Late ka na naman. This sentence implies that the speaker is a little annoyed because the other person, who is presumably habitually tardy, came late yet again. Late ka na naman, meaning, you're late again. Naiwan na naman ako ng bus. Naiwan na naman ako ng bus. I missed the bus again. Wala na namang kuryente. Wala na namang kuryente. The power is out again. Umuulan na naman. Umuulan na naman. It's raining again. Tumirik na naman ang kotse ko. Tumirik na naman ang kotse ko. Meaning, my car broke down yet again. Nagbago na naman ang isip niya. Nagbago na naman ang isip niya. She changed her mind again. Nagloloko na naman ang Wi-Fi. Nagloloko na naman ang Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi is acting up again. Naligaw na naman kami. Naligaw na naman kami. We got lost again. Nakalimutan ko na naman ang payong ko. Nakalimutan ko na naman ang payong ko. I forgot my umbrella again. Nag-crash na naman ang computer ko. Nag-crash na naman ang computer ko. My computer crashed again. Sira na naman ang elevator. Sira na naman ang elevator. The elevator is out of service again. Nag-jam na naman ang printer. Nag-jam na naman ang printer. The printer jammed again. Did you notice that all these na naman sentences mostly describe unpleasant experiences? Well, because that's what set na naman apart from uli and ulit. Let's continue. Pasensya na, Kung naaabala na naman kita. Pasensya na kung naaabala na naman kita. I'm sorry to bother you yet again. Kailangan bang paalalahanan na naman kita? Kailangan bang paalalahanan na naman kita? Do I have to remind you yet again? Nag-aaway na naman sila. Nag-aaway na naman sila. They are fighting again. Nagrereklamo na naman siya sa trabaho niya. Nagrereklamo na naman siya sa trabaho niya. She's complaining about her job again. Nakikipagtalo na naman siya tungkol sa politika. Nakikipagtalo na naman siya tungkol sa politika. He's arguing about politics again. Wala na naman siya sa mood. Wala na naman siya sa mood. She's in a bad mood again. Tumutunog na naman ang telepono. Tumutunog na naman ang telepono. The phone is ringing again. Maaga na namang magsasara ang restauran. Maaga na namang magsasara ang restauran. The restaurant is closing early again. Inuulit na naman niya ang tanong niya. Inuulit na naman niya ang tanong niya. He's repeating his question again. Bakit umiiyak na naman ang anak mo? Bakit umiiyak na naman ang anak mo? Why is your son crying again? Bakit tapsilog na naman ang almusal natin? Tapsilog is a Tagalog portmanteau that combines the words tapa or beef jerky, sinangag meaning fried rice, and pritong itlog, fried egg. Tapsilog. Bakit tapsilog na naman ang almusal natin? How come we're having tapsilog again for breakfast? Hindi ko na naman makita ang salamin ko. Hindi ko na naman makita ang salamin ko. I can't find my glasses again. Nawawala na naman ang tsinelas ni John. Nawawala na naman ang tsinelas ni John. John's slippers are missing again. Bakit ako na naman ang sinisisi mo? Bakit ako na naman ang sinisisi mo? Why are you blaming me again? Eto na naman tayo. Eto na naman tayo. Here we go again. Masakit na naman ang ngipin ko. Masakit na naman ang ngipin ko. My tooth hurts again. Natalisod na naman ako sa mga kable. Natalisod na naman ako sa mga kable. I tripped over the cables again. Natapunan ko na naman ng kape ang kamiseta ko. Natapunan ko na naman ng kape ang kamiseta ko. I spilled coffee on my t-shirt again. Naglayas na naman siya. Naglayas na naman siya. She ran away from home again. Nagsisinungaling ka na naman sa akin. Nagsisinungaling ka na naman sa akin. You're lying to me again. Nakalimutan ko na namang diligan ang mga halaman ko. Nakalimutan ko na namang diligan ang mga halaman ko. I forgot to water my plants yet again. Delayed na naman ang flight. Delayed na naman ang flight. The flight got delayed again. Na naman can be used as a standalone phrase. For example, if the other person says, nasugatan na naman ako sa kamay. Nasugatan na naman ako sa kamay. Meaning, I cut my hand again. You can simply respond by saying, na naman, or again, to confirm the previous statement. Na naman? Again? Although na naman is almost always used in negative sentences, there are also a few situations where you can use it neutrally, like in this example. Winter na naman. The speaker here is not complaining about winter, but simply stating the fact that it's winter again. Winter na naman. It's winter again. Another example is the famous Tagalog Christmas carol, Pasko na naman. Pasko na naman. Meaning, it's Christmas time again. Next we have, ikaw na naman. This is said when seeing someone again unexpectedly or undesirably. Ikaw na naman? You again? Here's an example of na naman that doesn't translate verbatim to again, but if you will look at the sentence closely, you will understand that it has something to do with a repeated action in the past. Ano na naman ang kailangan mo sa akin? The person spoken to may have asked something from the speaker many times previously, maybe in the form of a favor or help, and he's asking for something yet again, which the speaker now finds annoying. Ano na naman ang kailangan mo sa akin? What else do you need from me?